Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing about how to make money from freelancing. With the rise of the gig economy, more and more people are turning to freelancing as a way to earn a living. In this video, we'll be discussing some of the best ways to make money as a freelancer, along with some of the best platforms for finding work. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel before we begin. Now, the best ways to make money from freelancing. First is writing and copywriting. Writing is one of the most popular and in-demand skills in freelancing. Whether it's blog posts, articles, or copywriting, there's always a need for talented writers. Freelance writers can earn an average hourly rate of $30 to $50, with some writers earning up to $100 per hour. If you have a talent for writing, then freelancing may be the perfect career for you. Second is graphic design. Graphic design is another in-demand skill, with freelancers charging an average hourly rate of $30 to $50. Designers can earn more based on their level of experience and expertise. If you have a talent for design and can use software like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator, then freelance graphic design may be the perfect career for you. Third is web development. With the increasing demand for websites and web applications, web development has become a lucrative freelancing career. Web developers can earn an average hourly rate of $50 to $100. If you have experience with programming languages like HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, then freelance web development may be the perfect career for you. Then comes virtual assistants. A virtual assistant provides administrative and personal support to clients remotely. Virtual assistants can earn an average hourly rate of $20 to $40. If you have experience with administrative tasks like email management, appointment scheduling, or data entry, then freelance virtual assistants may be the perfect career for you. Final is social media management. Social media is a crucial aspect of marketing for many businesses, and freelance social media managers can earn an average hourly rate of $25 to $50. If you have experience with social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, then freelance social media management may be the perfect career for you. Now, best platforms for freelancing. Upwork. Upwork is one of the largest and most popular platforms for freelancers. With over 12 million freelancers and 5 million clients, there are always new job opportunities available. Upwork offers a wide range of jobs, from writing and design to web development and virtual assistants. Fiverr. Fiverr is another popular platform for freelancers, with a focus on micro-jobs. Freelancers can offer their services for as little as $5, making it a great platform for beginners. Fiverr offers a wide range of jobs, from writing and design to voiceover and video editing. Freelancer. Freelancer is a platform that connects freelancers with clients from around the world. With over 32 million registered users, there are always new job opportunities available. Freelancer offers a wide range of jobs, from writing and design to web development and virtual assistants. People per hour. People per hour is a platform that focuses on digital projects, with a focus on web development, design, and content creation. Freelancers can offer their services for as little as $10, making it a great platform for beginners. People per hour offers a wide range of jobs, from writing and design to web development and virtual assistants. Guru. Guru is a platform that connects freelancers with clients from around the world. With over 3 million registered users, there are always new job opportunities available. Guru offers a wide range of jobs, from writing and design to web development and virtual assistants. TopTal. TopTal is a platform that connects freelancers with high-quality clients, with a focus on software development, design, and finance. TopTal has a rigorous screening process for its freelancers, so it's a great platform for experienced professionals. Freelancers on TopTal can earn an average hourly rate of $60 to $100. 99 Designs. 99 Designs is a platform that focuses on graphic design and branding projects. Freelancers can participate in design contests and pitch their ideas to clients. 99 Designs is a great platform for experienced designers who are looking for new and exciting projects. Now that we've discussed the best ways to make money from freelancing and some of the best platforms for finding work, let's take a look at some examples of freelancers who have found success. Elna Kane. Elna Kane is a freelance writer and blogger who has been able to earn over $4,000 per month from her freelance writing business. She has been able to land clients through platforms like Upwork and has also built her own website to attract new clients. David Nguyen. David Nguyen is a freelance web developer who has been able to earn over $10,000 per month from his freelance business. He has been able to land clients through platforms like Upwork and has also built his own website to showcase his work. Gina Horkey. Gina Horkey is a freelance writer and virtual assistant who has been able to earn over $5,000 per month from her freelance business. She has been able to land clients through platforms like Upwork and has also built her own website to attract new clients. In conclusion, freelancing is a great way to make money and work on your own terms. With the rise of the gig economy, there are more opportunities than ever for freelancers. Whether you're a writer, designer, web developer, or virtual assistant, there is a demand for your skills. And with platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, it's easier than ever to find new clients and grow your freelance business. So, if you're thinking about becoming a freelancer, don't hesitate. The opportunities are out there, and with hard work and dedication, you can achieve success. Thank you for watching.